Hey everybody, this is Dr. McCollum. I want to talk to you about what the ketogenic coffee is going to do for you and how taking the keto coffee is going to help curb your appetite. So as you're doing the keto coffee every morning, which we went over yesterday, and you're eating healthy oils, that's going to get your body used to burning oils or ketones, which is the second fuel, rather than all of the sugar and glucose that we get from eating all the carbohydrates and even the protein. So as you're starting to do the keto coffee in the morning, start to pay attention to when you actually get hungry. Don't eat right at 12 o'clock because you think it's time to eat. Pay attention to your body. We want to start to get you to only eat when you need to. And we're going to go, for the next few days, we're going to talk about how to actually do some diet variation and some intermittent fasting. So have a great day. We'll see you soon.